Me and Tony are gonna have a sticking competition. Somersaults, tuck and pike, all directions. On there.
Oh, sticky?
Yeah, sticking competition. Go on. Go on. Go on. Or if we go like 3 goals, maybe. There we go. Oh, mate, you had that. Oh, he's got a point.
Never waiting on the world to catch up to me. Even in the rear view, I wish that it was up to me. The world will never feel new, but here's two. Losing sleep, rising up at dawn. Every week I drop a video with some produced song. They still sleeping, but it's okay. So I'm still not in gear two. Wait until the pace pick up and watch to make it dance too. Strapped on, it's getting really cinematic. So I'm betting on my talents with whatever's in my balance. Completing all my beats, but my attic unfinished. An addict with a vision, cause I'm at it, not quitting. By any means necessary, that's how we gon' get it. It's time to lay my foot down, up is where I'm headed. I count blessings, not my ills. I stay focused, I don't dwell. I see time is on my way. All these angels watch my
Alright guys, so I've just finished my 3-meter prelim and it wasn't the greatest competition, I'm not going to lie, but I managed to just about sneak into the final. I'm not sure what position I finished, but I've just made it through, which is good. So I just have to come back later on and step up my game on everything that I did and hopefully improve on it all. It's frustrating for me because prelims are very important to me. I need to dive well in prelims to be able to obviously make it through, so that wasn't what I want in prelims. I don't like that at all. I need to do a lot better and it's all a learning process, but hopefully the mistakes that I made I can correct later on, and also when I get back to Leeds I can work on those dives that I messed up and correct those going into Commonwealth games, so when I get to the prelim there the dives will be much more consistent, much better, much more comfortable, and I can have a much better prelim. But anyway, regardless, I'm through to the final. Okay, so it's been 24 hours, or just over 24 hours since I uploaded my vlog number 34, the one where I won the gold medal. Within that I ran a little competition for a giveaway for my 3 The Hustle Never Stops t-shirts. What I'm going to do now is actually do the draw and show you the draw so you can see who won. If you don't win, don't worry, because they will be going on sale and you'll be able to get your own very, very soon. So make sure you keep your eyes open for that. So what I'm going to do is go through all the comments and just separate them into their individual groups. I've got the names inputted on this app, and whoever comes up first gets a t-shirt. Who have we got? So congratulations Axel, you are the winner of shirt number 1. Let's do the draw for the medium. I'm sure your name obviously is not Grace the Giraffe. but I've just taken your YouTube name. That's 2 down. And finally, let's see who has won the large. There it is, Joey, congrats on the win. Sorry to everyone else who missed out on the t-shirts this time, but as I say, keep your eyes peeled and I will let you know when you can actually get one of your own. The 3 winners I will have already DM'd you on Instagram, which is why I asked you to leave your Instagram name. You should be getting your shirts very, very soon, so look out for them. Once you get them, make sure you post a picture of it, tag me in it on Instagram. Let's build this motto, let's build this momentum. The hustle never stops, okay? Keep working every single day. Do everything you can do to make yourself better, make other people around you better, and that means you'll be happier in life. It's working for me right now, so the hustle never stops. Okay, final result is 12 points, 9 points. Easy win. Easy.
Now, this morning, he absolutely nailed this dive, did Yona. Got off to a real flyer. He was up above the 70-point range, straight off with this forward 3.5. Later on, things didn't go quite so well. Let's see what this will bring him in the final.
Oh, it's a lovely dive there from Yona.
Now Yona, after another flyer, on to his second dive of 6. This one comes down just a fraction on degree of difficulty, but not by much, 3.1 to 3.0. Same as we saw from Aidan Heslop. Back 2.5. Now this is one that's a bit complicated for him, because of his frame.
Oh, absolutely beautiful.
Here's a man who did so well at the Olympics and wants to do really well at the Commonwealth Games in a couple of months' time for Jamaica. Big star in that country. Big star in Leeds as well. He competes. Inward 3.5 somersaults for Yona.
Oh, he's done well with that.
Yona in 4th place, but it's so tight at the top.
He's got to work on his balance on this one.
Reverse 3.5 is his biggest tariff dive as well.
Oh. He's gone a little bit forward, but the problem with that was you can see how loose he was, almost like a banana.
keeping the good books of the judges, don't you? Forward 2.5, 1 twist for Yona, penultimate dive. Look at the height on that.
Yeah,
dive.
exactly.
Okay, Yona, can you make a charge for the line? He could still do it. Enough marks involved. Forward 2.5 somersaults, 2 twists for the Jamaican to round it off.
Oh, what a fantastic finish.
Alright guys, that is it. Nationals is done. I finished in 4th place overall on 3 metre, just missing out on a medal by 4 points, but I did the big comeback and performed way better in the final compared to the prelim. I improved by like 70 points, which is pretty good. That is a wrap for National. Next comp up is Commonwealth Games, so basically I've got a training camp in Miami coming up next week. I'm going for 2 weeks just to get some outdoor training again and train with the coach out there who I really like, and then after that I come back home for like 3 weeks, and then hopefully I go out to Australia / New Zealand / somewhere else and get ready for Commonwealth Games. Basically just keep on working on the dives that I'm doing now, step them up a level, and hopefully have a better prelim on 3 metre at least when I get to Australia, and hopefully 1 metre steps up as well. So thanks for watching, peace out.